So this is the complete mechanisms, the complete upgraded mechanisms of my new motor. This is the older versions. Here is the size. This is the compatible size. The width almost the same, and the height, the width almost the same but different in height, and the size, there's a huge difference in size. So this is my homemade complete new upgraded mechanisms for my new RC mosquito copter.